Yay! Put them in your basket. Zoe, put the egg in your basket, Boogie. Here, Boo. Put it in your basket. Put it in there. Here, carry it. You see any more? Where's the eggs at?
One over there. Behind Vanessa.
Get it. You see it, get it.
Behind Nessie.
Is there eggs? Look
Do you
on
see
the ground.
eggs?
There's one right there. Right there. You see it in here in the weeds? Right there. Get it. Whoa. Put it in. Is there an ant on it? No. Okay. Go find more. There's some over there.
Smile, say hi, Nana.
Hi, Mama.
Show her your eggs. See your eggs, Nana?
Look at that face. Whoa! Yay! Look at you. Over here, Boogie. There's one on the fence. Right here. You see her face?
No, I'm missing her face.
Whoa, show Vanessa the egg
Show me that egg. Show me. Show me your eggs.
She found another one, Aunt Nessie. She can't. She's all excited. Whoa!
Yay!
Come over here. Look over here. You see more eggs?
Yeah.
Get them. Where? Over here, Boo. There's one.
One.
One. Whoa! She goes,
Yeah.
over here, baby.
The eggs.
Egg.
Egg. Yay! There's one more. Uh-oh. The prizes came out. It's okay. Put them in your basket. It's okay like this. It's okay. Look. There's one more. Where is it? One more right there.
Over here.
Over here, Zoe.
Yay!
Fire.
I think that's all.
So, show me your eggs in your basket.
Show Aunt Nessa.
Mine.
I think that's all of them. Show Aunt Vanessa your eggs.
Let me see.
I think they're all gone. I think that's it.
All gone.
The eggs are all gone. You found them all.
Say happy Easter.
No, there's none in there, baby. Be careful.
She wants to swing now.
Here, let Mommy help you. Put your basket down.
That's her basket, Mommy. You need help?
She has to have her basket, too. There. Here, scoot this way.
Say happy Easter.
Happy Easter!
Say happy Easter.
She's worried about her
What's
eggs.
in there? Say eggs.
The eggs!
Wee.
Where's Sean?
Where's Sean?
Say happy Easter, Nana! Happy Easter!
Say I love you, Nana.
I will.
Say I love you, Nana!
She said it. Okay.